Happy ho holidays, everyone! It's the holiday episode! Today, we're focusing on ornaments. Here on the workbench. Stay tuned. Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It's the ornament episode. It's the holidays. It's almost Christmas time. Today we're going to be focusing on silk filaments. Now, what are silk filaments, you may ask? Well, it's a filament that gives you a very shiny texture. Unlike your standard filaments, where they may have an either glossy or flat look, these have an almost metallic look to them. So, why did I wait till Christmas to show these silk filaments? Because believe it or not, the way these filaments are made is kind of the way Christmas candy is made. As you can see, it has kind of a shiny appearance to it when it's on the roll. Well, when they manufacture it, before they actually spool it up on the roll, it's kind of pulled like sugar candy to kind of give it that metallic look to it. There is no metal in this. It's actually just a couple multiple colors that are pulled and spun together on a single roll. As you can see on one side, it's kind of a greenish look to it, and this side kind of blue. And this is the result. As you can see, as I spin it around, it literally goes from blue to green. Pretty kind of nifty stuff, huh? Now, you may be asking, what about these guys back here? Well, believe it or not, that's a multicolor filament. A rainbow filament, actually. This company Arione makes a multicolor rainbow filament that gives you those effects. Makes some pretty nifty ornaments, doesn't it? So if you're looking for something unique for the holidays, better than a gift card holder, something that'll last for possibly generations, try one of these. Not only is it a cool looking ornament, it's a bill holder. Something different. Now these are all made with silk filaments and using what they call a fuzzy skin, and it gives it that kind of textured look to it. Okay, so the ornaments you saw today were made using one of these three type names of filaments. You have Arione, Silk PLA, Amelin, which is the dual color silk. And for some of the single colors, it's either Arione or even Giant Arm. Now I've had success with all three of these filaments as well as Bamboo Labs filaments. I would say if you haven't tried out a silk filament and you're looking for that shiny finish, give them a shot. They definitely do produce a lustrous shine. And if you decide to make Christmas ornaments, they'll really make them pop. Hopefully the information that I've given you today will help you with your next printing project. Those silk filaments definitely do add that special touch to your projects and look amazing in life. I just wanted to take a minute to say thank you for the short time that I've been on YouTube. I appreciate the information you guys have given me back in the comments. So please send a little something, whether it's a thank you or something I could improve. Believe me, I look forward to the information. If you could, I'd like you to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. That way, next time episode comes around, you'll be notified. Also, if you could, go to patreon.com/Ryan's Workbench. Think about becoming a member. The funds from Patreon help to go towards future content. As a matter of fact, this little microphone I have on here was paid for with funds from a previous Patreon member. Last but not least, I wanted to wish you guys a ho happy holidays, and we'll see you next year. Take care.